man, I really need some coffee right now.
Rough morning? Here you go.
You have no idea. I've been in back-to-back meetings since 9 a.m. My brain is like completely fried.
Ugh, I hate those days. Here, let me make you a strong one.
You're a lifesaver, Priya. Thanks.
No problem. So, did you finish the presentation for tomorrow?
Don't remind me. I'm only halfway done. I still need to add the quarterly numbers and so much data.
Wait, is that the one for the client meeting?
Yeah, the big one. Mr. Sharma wants everything perfect.
Hey, you always pull it off. Remember last month? Everyone loved your pitch.
Yeah, but that was different. This client is way more demanding.
Well, if you need help with the design slides, just let me know. I can make them look really good in like 20 minutes.
Really? You do that?
Of course, we're a team, right? Plus, I'm actually ahead on my own work today.
Already? Wow, you're fast.
I got into the zone, you know? Sometimes it just flows.
Wish I could say the same. I've been staring at my screen for an hour and nothing.
That's because you're stressed. You need a break. Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, actually. I just had a protein bar at my desk.
Alex, that's not lunch. Come on, let's go grab something from...
I don't know. I really should get back to work.
15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Trust me, you'll work better after you eat something real.
Okay, you're right. Let me just send one quick email and I'll meet you there.
Cool. Oh, by the way, are you coming to Ravi's birthday thing on Friday?
Oh, that's this Friday? I completely forgot.
Yeah, it's at that new rooftop restaurant. Should be fun. The whole team is going.
I don't know. I'm not really in a party mood these days.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's just, work stress and other stuff.
Other stuff, like personal stuff?
Kind of. My sister's wedding is next month and there's so much planning. My mom keeps calling me every day with a million questions.
Oh, wow, your sister's getting married. That's amazing.
Yeah, it is. But it's also exhausting. Between work and wedding prep, I barely have time to breathe.
Oh, I get it. Indian weddings are no joke.
Yeah.
But hey, it's a once-in-a-lifetime thing, right?
Right. True. I just wish it wasn't happening during our busiest quarter at work.
Well, look, you should still come to Ravi's party. It'll help you relax.
Maybe. Let me see how this presentation goes tomorrow.
Deal. And seriously, send me those slides later. I'll make them look professional.
Thank you so much, Priya. I really appreciate it.
That's what colleagues are for. Now, come on, let's go eat. I'm starving.
All right. I'm coming. But you're really paying?
Yep. Consider it in advance. Congrats on nailing tomorrow's presentations gift.
You're too optimistic.
And you're too pessimistic.
Fair enough. Let's go.
Race you to the elevator.